Keeping project documentation organized across large facilities can feel impossible. Photos get lost, comments are scattered, and important details slip through the cracks, costing you time and money. That's where JobCapture changes the game. JobCapture lets you add placeholders for critical elements even when floor plans aren't available. Take geotagged photos directly on-site and add detailed comments to capture every nuance, whether you're documenting HVAC installations, security camera placements, or maintenance repairs. Each placeholder is tied to its own description and unique position number, ensuring every detail is accounted for. You can also track time spent on-site and the overall project timeline, helping you stay efficient and on budget. When the floor plan is ready, seamlessly transfer all your placeholder data without missing a beat. And the best part? JobCapture generates professional, detailed reports that make stakeholder updates effortless. No more scrambling for lost data, no more miscommunication. Whether you're managing multiple teams, contractors, or sprawling projects, JobCapture puts you back in control. Ready to revolutionize your workflow? Start using JobCapture today and experience seamless project management from start to finish.